All right, guys, Tuesday highlight. What it is, I'm going to go straight to our puke tool that Dave's sharing. You can see it nice and clear on this recording, and you could see some dashed lines. I just want to talk, I don't want to talk and get into what each line means, but when there's a lot of buying that's going on, and these are iceberg buyers, I don't know if you guys could see my cursor, but if you can't, let me draw. I can't even draw. Where's the, oh, I understand. There we go. There we go. Back in business. All right, now I got a pen. So all this green in here talks about is buying coming in, right? When you could finally get underneath some of the buying that comes in, maybe they're done. They've satisfied them, and then you could drift lower. You need to see that up here as the buying is coming in and jumping and trying to get ahead of itself. Finally, when they're done, you could drift the other way, in this case, lower. And then you also see it, it kind of disappeared a little bit now, but you could see it with some of this green right in here. We're getting one that's coming in right through this highlight, showing maybe a chance for longs, because it's green, puking. And I want people to get used to the word puking because it's synonymous from the trading floor, which I came from 25 years ago. When you puke, you exit a position. And I want people to start focusing on intent when reading order flow. Order flow is great, but it's just a bunch of numbers and just a bunch of orders. You got to understand and try to figure out the intent of that order in order to figure out the probability for the next direction. So if indeed there's a lot of sell stops, there's a chance that a lot of longs puked. How do you exit a long position? With a sell stop, most likely. A lot of people use a sell stop order type to exit a long position. So if you're good at finding where the sell stops are, you'll be good at seeing where longs are puking. Again, the intent of the order is what we do day in and day out in trying to master the probability, not the exact rotation and direction, but master the probability. Here you could see a little cleaner. What I was showing you up here, you could see in a little bit more detail down here. You could see these green lines. You guys could see my illustrations, correct? These green lines in here are icebergs. They're orders. Some of them are racing to goose the market up. Not on purpose, but they're trying to chase the market in a sense. And once they satisfy it, go away and start to drift underneath it, you become a little bearish, in this case, sideways to lower. A way to read order flow. The intent of this guy was to buy it when he was done. Maybe the market then could find itself the opportunity to go lower. Just a couple brief instances and ways to really start to polish and sharpen your predictive skills when reading order flow, because order flow has a lot of different definitions and there's a lot of people explaining it. It comes down to asking the right questions along with what is the intent of the order. Stay safe, guys.